in your game, you'll notice like whenever you try to put a light and put multiple, it doesn't work, and you want to make like good lighting like this. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm just gonna delete all this because yeah. So I'm gonna generate my lighting, and I'm gonna show you what it will look like without lights. So wait until it's done generating. Down here, this is where it shows it's generating, but you can't because my monitor is kind of big, So it should look like this. It's kind of dark. You can't really see anything. You can click on the plus. Well, you have to if you want to make a good light. 3D object. Make a sphere. And so I'm gonna line this up. And now, once you go in the inspector and it has a sphere collider, remove that component and add a mesh collider. So it's better. And next, you want to do it like this. And shrink it a little bit. Make sure the convex is like that. Yep. So check it after that. And then you can shrink it. I'm going to shrink it like a little bit. Not that much. But that works right there, I think. So then I'm going to put one here. Put one in the middle. Put one right here. And then I already have this done, so I'm just going to delete this life one. And what you want to do is create a material. Name it light or just name it anything. Check emission and make sure that's checked. Make it white. Put it as much as the intensity really high so you can't really see it. What I do is I put it at 6.9. Trust me, that's kind of good for me, but sometimes it doesn't work for you. If you want good lighting like this, go to B.Awesome's tutorial. Yeah. And then what you want to do is put the light on every single one of these. It should make a cool looking glow like that. And then once you do that, what you want to do is click on every single light. And then make sure static is on. And then I'm going to put some in this room to make it look good. Because you need lights to see. Then I'm going to move this like that. Move this like this. And then what you want to do, once you do that, you're going to click generate lighting. And you just got to wait a little bit. And then it should make good looking lighting without ever using a light thingy. So once yours is done, like mine, it should look really good like this. Yeah, you can change it to your liking if you want. I really like this, so I'm gonna keep this setting. It looks very awesome. So yeah, if you like notice in your little hallway, it's kind of more light than here. What you want to do is copy this one. I'm gonna name it small light, and then I put it on these ones. And then I want to click here and then shrink it a little bit. So since mine is at 7, I'm gonna put it at like 6.4 or something. Actually, I'm gonna put like no, because mine was 6.9. We do 5.8. And then we're gonna bake my lighting again, and then we're gonna see if that looks good. So once it's almost done, I'm just gotta wait a little bit. Oh yes, I use this map. I use the B.Awesome tutorial to make this. And so once it's done, it should look pretty good, pretty schmexy. It should be looking really good. If you don't like it, you can move it around, adjust it to how you like it, like that. So that's how you make good lighting without using the light one, because the light one breaks and it doesn't work. So that's how you make multiple lights without breaking it. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.